Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
An important agricultural event takes place in November, the Taidong Rice Winter Harvest Festival. Members of the public can head over to Migua School in Guanshan Township, Taidong County, to try their hand at traditional farming techniques. In addition to harvesting, threshing, rice tasting, and Hakka quizzes, the event includes a mini film festival and Hakka dramas, a modern take on an ancient farming festival.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And understand that last month there was a festival, a harvest festival that took place in Taidong County. I'm pretty sure it's Taidong County. I want to ask Leo about this. 是不是上个月啊，在应该是台东县有一个这个跟收冬季有关系，对不对？
哦，对对对。
What is this？
在台东，
是什么？
台东后面速冻鸡。
台东后米速冻鸡，台东就是台东嘛，
对。
后米是毫米吗？
是，
就是毫米。OK，a good rice festival， 然后收冬季这样子。哦，那请问它到底是在哪里举办？然后有什么样的活动？是不是介绍一下？
它举办的地点是在台东县关山镇的米国学校。
米国学校
就是我们吃饭的那个米
啊，因为那边都有毫米嘛。
对，是的。
What an interesting place to hold this event. It happens at a school with a beautiful name, and it's called the Rice Country School. All right， 就是米国学校。有什么样的活动可以介绍一下吗？
到那边就可以亲手的去体验割稻子啊，然后呢，你还可以吃到割莴番。
割莴番，这是什么种饭？是不是像卤肉饭吗？
不是。其实以前割稻子需要很多的人力。那时候呢，可能譬如说我家先割稻子，然后所有的邻居呢就通通来我家帮忙，然后帮忙到中午吃饭的时候呢，就我家就会提供饭，然后把这个饭菜呢挑到田旁边，然后大家在那边一起吃饭。
哦 ，OK， 所以割莴就是
割稻子，
收割的意思。
对。
There's a meal that they have together, and this is inspired from farmers. When they have a harvest of their rice, they actually invite their neighbors and their relatives to come over and have a meal together and work together for the harvest. And it's called 割莴番. Okay, that means the harvest meal. All right, let's review these terms. How do you say 台东毫米收冬季？怎么说？
台东后米速冻鸡。
台东后米速冻鸡 and it happens at 米国学校。
米国學校。
米國學校 and then you can enjoy a harvest meal， 也就是我们的这个收割的那个饭局哦。
割莴番
and there you go. Another interesting event that takes place in Taidong, and it's all about the Hakka culture as well. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.